If you're trying to figure out how you can check your brake pads to see if they still have any life, especially that rear pad that's normally pretty hard to check, it's really simple without having to disassemble the whole caliper. And it basically is this, what's a sight hole in the top of the caliper right there, where you can see both brake pads pretty easily. Right here you can see the pad, or right there you can actually see the slot of the brake pad and the end of the rotor. And then on this side you can also see the brake pad, and you also see that slot. That is some really great brake pads on there. They have a lot of life. Calipers in the rear are normally a bit smaller than the front, but it's the same setup with the sight hole right here in the caliper. In this case, the sight hole is pretty small, but you can see them really well below the sight hole. You got a great indication of where they're at. Both of these pads look pretty good. I mean, they're fairly even, I'd say, as well, so that's a good sign. If you want to get a good sampling of how the brake's life is looking on all four wheels, just an idea, if you lift up the driver's side part of the car, you can get a look at your rear brakes and your front brakes, and normally that's a reflection of what's happening on the other side. Now, not always, but it's just a general idea. If this brake we know is a little bit close to getting need to be replaced, we know that the other side is going to be wearing the same, hypothetically.